Holdout bonus space. Alright, first thing we want to do is bring in the bounty hunter and get him to start giving a distraction. Then we just spread these guys out. Let's take one of these guys and put them up here. Alright. Get all them in position. Put them on hold. Move the bounty hunter into the middle. And now we just start spreading out the troops. Again, just fill the circle. And everything that attacks will try to kill them, and the wastelanders will kill them all. There we go. Just spread out, get troops all spread around so that they attack them. Just, I let them shoot 2 at a time, then I move them, 2 at a time, then I move them. This guy must be somebody must have given me a gift from Kixeye. All right, let's get some up here. Eventually, they're going to attack from up here. Going to have a blackout, and then over here, you'll have the machine that will come in. But we'll distract him with Dev when that happens. Right now, we're just spreading. Oh, I got to get some over here. As soon as he shoots up here, we'll take care of it. There you go. Let's get some troops down here so that they don't shoot our wastelanders. I'll check it. Yep. As you can see, they're trying to attack all the troops in the middle. Let's get some here. While they're attacking them, the wastelanders are blowing them out of the air. Let's get some more over here. At a certain point, a blackout's going to show up. When that does, I will distract that with Dev. I only bring Dev in at the end, and while he's distracting that, the wastelanders will destroy the blackout. Just keep putting more and more of these guys, just spread them around the base. Let's see what's happening here. Get a little bit of a view ahead of time before it happens. He should be coming here pretty soon. All right, here he comes. Bring in the dev. Come on, dev. Come on. Come on. Get his attention. Draw him away. The devlin is already there. There you go. There you go. There you go. And while they're chasing him, the wastelanders will destroy the blackout. Now you can't retreat him once you bring him in, so put him in the middle of the base. Put him on hold and save him. That's good enough right there. Save him for when deselect. Select. There's going to be a machine coming in down here eventually. And that's when you're going to use your dev again. Basically, you just stand there and just keep filling the base. And you're going to, at this point, I'm going to fill up more over here because he's going to come from that direction. We got enough everywhere else. So once he starts coming, then we'll just, back, we don't even need to use him, just let him shoot where he's shooting. Eventually, when he shows up, I'll use my dev to distract him, and the wastelanders will blow him away. Right now, you just got to kill spiders and these men. So, but if you just sit there and wait, just wait. They'll come to you, and the wastelanders will blow them away. It really is a very easy holdout. The wastelanders really do it all for you, and the bounty hunter gives everything else something to shoot at. But you got somebody coming from over here pretty soon, and that'll be the end of the third level. We got guys coming from up here, spiders. So right now you just got little irritants. Yeah, these guys come from all directions, but they're nothing. The wastelanders just blow them away. One or two shots and they're gone. All right, here he comes. Let's zoom in. Let's get our dev. Basically, you just want to be a distraction to him. Get his attention so he doesn't shoot. There you go. Come on. Come on. Chase me. Chase me. Don't shoot over there. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot. There you go. There you go. Don't shoot my wastelanders. Chase me, don't chase my wastelanders. That's it. We'll get a little bit of damage, but we won't get a lot. And you get extra XP because you have the boost on. So make sure you do the boost. 150% and 100%. Let's see how much damage we got. Shouldn't be a whole lot. Okay, 48, but wait. But it's not really 48 because you cut them down. See how much, some of them are going to take some time. All right, what do we got now? 356, all right. So now let's just bring them in and instant repair. Probably do 2 of them at one time. So you can see you don't get a whole lot of damage because these guys repair pretty quickly. Okay, we didn't bring one in. There you go. Getting close to the 5-minute. Still okay. So you see, you won't get a whole lot of damage. Even though it said 48, it's spread all out. Okay, here you get a minute and a half. So you see, the next one's going to be about the same. So you get a couple minutes of repair. All right, go. Do likewise.